Now, NBC News has obtained the personnel files for the 4 former Minneapolis police officers charged in connection with George Floyd's death. The files are heavily redacted and come a day after 3 of the officers appeared in court on Thursday, the same day as Floyd's memorial service. Lawyers for 2 of those men now claim their clients tried to express concern over how Floyd was detained, telling the court they questioned Derek Chauvin's actions. NBC's Steve Patterson is outside the Minneapolis 1st Precinct with the latest. Steve?
Yeah, and those 2 officers you were mentioning are Alexander King and Thomas Lane specifically. The attorneys for both of them not only argued that at some point, eventually, they tried to help, but also that they are both rookies, both almost, you could say, green as grass. One of them, Lane, the attorney says started maybe 4 days, had been on the force for maybe 4 days. The other one, King, it was his 3rd shift. Not only that, but as you mentioned, tried to help in some way, tried to raise concerns. It was believed that Lane, according to the attorneys, performed CPR once they got him into the emergency vehicle, and that King, expressed to Chauvin as his neck is being, ground down into the ground by that ankle, by that knee, that maybe we should flip the suspect over at some point. However, prosecutors looked at this evidence and they're basically saying that this is not good enough, that there could have been more opportunities for them to jump in and help before the man obviously died. So, haven't had a chance to really speak to protesters about this and people that are on the street, but obviously they feel like, this needs to be pushed as far as justice can go to the fullest extent of the law. So nobody's happy here, to be very clear. Nobody's happy here until they see convictions. Meanwhile, the city council has been talking about dismantling the Minneapolis Police Department. The city council president was talking about maybe going to something more of like a social, holistic situation or circumstance for the department. In other words, maybe instead of police responding and being the first responders to everything, maybe it's a social worker, maybe it's a medic as the situation warrants. They're going to talk about that today. There is a city council meeting today where they will talk about progressing that legislation and maybe pushing it through, but also talking about maybe a 10-year investigation looking at a pattern of possible racist incidents in the Minneapolis Police Department. That's all today. We'll send it back to you.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.